So around 1,000 meter long circular track, A and B start running in the same direction from the same point with speeds as 70 meter per second and 20 meter per second respectively. When and where will they meet for the first time? Okay, so now this is your circular track. Okay, and what we are going to do is this circular track will basically open it up. Okay, so it will be something like this towards the right of the screen at the top. Okay, the circular track has been opened. So it is a linear track which is 1,000 meters long. Okay, now you can imagine this question to be the question of relative speed, जहाँ पे two people are moving in the same direction and their speeds are 70 and 20, and the faster person needs to cover a distance of 1,000 meters to reach the slower person, right? So what we'll do is we'll use the concept of relative speed. They're traveling in the same direction. The relative speed will be the difference of the speeds. Okay, so taking the difference 70 and 20, which is 50 meter per second, we can now say that the slow person is at rest and only the faster person moves at the relative speed, which is 50 meter per second. Okay, you can understand this with the help of the given animation right now. See, okay, the slower person is fixed and only the faster person moves at the relative speed. Okay, relative speed kitna hai? 50 meter per second and distance is 1,000 meters. So what is the time taken to meet? The time taken to meet will be 20 seconds. So this answers the first part of the question. When will they meet for the first time? The answer is 20 seconds after they start. Okay, now we understand that in reality, in practicality, the two people, the slower person is not at rest, right? Only with respect to the faster person, the slower person is not moving. Okay, so now let's understand the movement separately. Okay, I've drawn three animations. First is when they both move together, and second is when they move separately. Okay, so you can observe when they move together. Okay, the faster person completes the entire track length and reaches the point of contact, the point of meeting, and the slower person simply covers a very small distance. Which will of course slower person. The faster person is towards the extreme right of the circle. You can see the extreme right circle. Okay, on that you see the faster person moving. It completes the entire track length plus some extra distance. While in the middle one, beach wala diagram dikh raha hoga, it is for the slower person. It travels only some small distance as compared to the faster person, right? Okay, so how do we understand this? We know that both the faster and slower persons, they both move for 20 seconds. In 20 seconds, let's find out the distance they move. The distance the slower person travels is 20 is speed into 20 seconds, 400 meters, and the faster person travels 1400, which is 70 into 20. Okay, so where you are exactly, right? Slower person is 400 travel kiya like this. Faster person completes the entire track length plus 400 extra, right? So effectively both meet at a point which is 400 meters clockwise from the starting point. And that's the answer for the second question. Where will they meet for the first time? The answer is they will meet at a point 400 meters clockwise from the starting point. Okay. What if these two people would have been traveling in the opposite directions? Okay, with speeds 30 and 20. Okay. For the same question, what we'll do is we'll again open out the track. Okay, circular track. So it's a 1,000 meter track. Okay, where A and B both are moving in the opposite directions. Since they are moving in opposite directions, the relative speed is the sum of their speeds. So it'll be something like this. Okay, same. 50 meter per second relative speed hai. The distance is 1,000 meters track. So time taken is 1,000 by 50, 20 seconds, right? Same thing we'll do. We'll calculate the individual distances. Okay, so slower person is moving at 20 meter per second. He travels for 20 seconds. So the distance he will travel is 20 to 2,400 meters. And the faster person travels at 30 meter per second and he's traveling for 20 seconds. The distance he will travel is 600. Do you observe? 600 and 500 together is 1,000, right? So they will meet at a point 400 meters anti-clockwise or 600 meters clockwise from the starting point. As simple as that. Okay, let's go on to the next question now, guys. Around 1,000 meter long circular track, A and B start running from the same point with speeds to 200 meter per second and 250 meter per second respectively. When will they meet for the first time at the starting point? Okay. अब A के बारे में पहले बात करते हैं. A का speed is 200 meter per second. Okay. तो 1,000 meter cover करने के लिए how much time will it take? He will take 5 seconds. Okay. 5, then 5 seconds, 5 seconds, वापस 5 seconds, 5 seconds, right? So basically, the first person will be at the starting point after every 5 seconds, right? तो 5 seconds पे आएगा, फिर 10 seconds पे आएगा, उसके बाद 15 seconds पे आएगा, 30 seconds पे आएगा, likewise, isn't it? Let's talk about the second person, जिसका speed is 250 meter per second. Okay, this person will reach the starting point after every 4 seconds, right? The speed is 250, the track length is 1,000, the time is 4 seconds. Okay, so this is how he will keep on traveling. Okay, 4 seconds, make bar 4 seconds, 4 seconds, 4 seconds, right? So every 4 seconds, the faster person will basically reach the starting point, right? ओके सो 4 8 12 16 20 24 ओके इन सब टाइम्स पे स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे आएगा 4 पे आया 8 पे आया 16 पे आया लाइकवाइज ओके अब दोनों साथ में कब आएंगे दोनों साथ में कब आएंगे देखो जब दोनों का टाइमिंग एक्जैक्टली मीट होने का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे सेम हो राइट व्हिच इज 20 सेकंड्स यू कैन ऑब्जर्व हियर ये 20 हमें कैसे आया दिस 20 इज नथिंग बट द एलसीएम ऑफ 5 and 4 राइट सो you can remember this as a direct formula or direct relation right now okay if there are n number of people let's say their speeds are a1 a2 a3 a4 up to an and the track length is l after how much time will they meet at the start point at the starting point they will meet after LCM of individual timings l upon a1 l upon a2 l upon a3 l upon an okay the best part is it is irrelevant it is irrespective of the distance they are traveling in all the n people they can basically travel in the same direction or opposite direction or mixed makes no difference okay so when starting point is asked okay the direction is irrelevant okay you have to find out the individual time for them to reach the starting points and take their LCM it's as simple as that Anil, Sunil, and Ravi run across a circular path of length 3 kilometers, starting from the same point at the same time and going in the clockwise direction. If they run at speeds of 15 kilometers per hour, 10 kilometers per hour, and 8 kilometers per hour respectively, how much distance in kilometers will Ravi have run when Anil and Sunil meet again for the first time at the start point? Okay. तो पहले हमें अनिल एंड सुनील के स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे मिलने का टाइम निकालना है ओके अनिल का स्पीड इज 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर ओके सुनील का स्पीड इज 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर okay Anil starting point पे कब आएगा see the distance is 3 kilometers guys Anil का speed is 15 kilometers per hour okay so time taken for Anil to reach the starting point is this what about Sunil his speed is 10 kilometers per hour 10 kilometers का distance है sorry 3 kilometers का distance है speed is 10 kilometers per hour so distance upon the speed is the required time okay अब दोनों साथ में कब आएंगे वी स्टडी दोनों साथ में आएंगे जब हम इन टाइमिंग्स का एलसीएम ले लेंगे राइट एलसीएम ऑफ टू फ्रैक्शंस it is nothing but the LCM of the numerators right 3 in this case divided by HCF of the denominators 5 3 by 5 will be 0.6 okay अब 0.6 आवर्स में दोनों साथ में स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे आएंगे उतने टाइम में व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस रवि विल ट्रैवल रवि का स्पीड इज 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर मल्टीप्लाई बाय द टाइम the answer is 4.8 kilometers as simple as that